We are going to try a new butterfly design today. You just part a box, the back of the head. That's what I just did. And then when you're done with your box, you carve a heart into that box at the top of the box. I wanted mine bigger so to come out finer, because I noticed this first one I did wasn't that big. So this, once you're done with your heart, remember, divide it into two equal halves. And you start carving out your number 3 for the butterfly wing. So when you're done, you carve it. I carved mine in 2 halves for it to be easier. Just carve a semicircle and another semicircle, but the top half should be bigger than the bottom half, because the top half would have more of the designs. So I did the same curve, the semicircle curve at the bottom half of my right butterfly wing. Then start with my antenna for the right butterfly wing. I'm just going to carve a little semi curve, should I say that, just a little, and then you start braiding. So when you're done braiding, you braid it for the second part of the wing, and then you just make your curve again, the same way I did in the right hand of the wing. You do it in the left side. Cut your butterfly wing into 2, the top half and the bottom half. The top half should be bigger than the bottom half. So you make your semicircle, you make it very neat. So once you're done with that, you check if the lines are correct so that our butterfly will be beautiful. Then once you're done with that, you part a little line into the middle to weave down the antenna. You part a little line, that's just like I'm doing right now. You part a little line down the middle of the both wings so that we'll be able to weave the antenna down to make our butterfly look really pretty. Then when you're done with that, you weave down your 2 antenna together with the 1 part in the middle. So when we're done with that, we're going to start with our braid design, our wing design. So I started with a diagonal line and a curve, just like we did in the other butterfly wing. And I cut down the middle of the remaining part of the hair, and I started weaving from the inside, and I weaved inside and I curved it to the diagonal part I did the first time. Then I just weaved it all together into a beautiful curve for the first part of our top half right wing. So this is the design I did. Then for the bottom half, you part a diagonal line with a little curve for the bottom half, and when you're done with that, you just weave the top half together with the bottom half. So when you're done with that, we've gotten the first part of our wing. We repeat the same procedure for the left part of our wing. So as you can see, we're done with the top half of the left wing, and we just cut the diagonal part for the second half of the left wing, and we weave it all together to make our beautiful butterfly design. When you're done, you braid the other parts of the hair into one strand of braid. And when you're done, it look exactly like this. So guys, this is the finished work. If you like it, please leave a like.